Hi everybody, Ryan Blair, Senior Product Manager for Grouts and Sealants here at Laticrete. Today we are going to go through one of the merchandisers that we have for our grouts that you may or may not have at your facility. What we want to do is talk you through how to update and change out all of the grout colors and all the marketing on there, and then update it with the new marketing and the new colors. Essentially, it's very quick and easy. What we recommend doing is taking out all of the existing grout sticks, put them to the side, take out all of the marketing that's already on there, all of these, take them all out, and then put the new ones in. Very easy, they just go right in the slots here. Very simple. Then replace all of the sticks that you've taken out, all the channels, essentially putting the new ones back in here in their corresponding colors. Go through all that, and then you'll have obviously 7 new areas to replace. We're sending 20 of the 7 new colors to you in this kit, included in this kit as well. And after you're done with that, you'll also get new grout color cards with all the new colors in there as well. And then just place those in the top, and you've changed out all of your colors here, and you have your 7 new colors. Very quick, very easy. If you have any other questions, you can look below in the video, and all of the instructions are there as well. Thank you so much, and happy selling.